everybody, I want to show you how you can organize your Google Drive so that you're a little bit more efficient. You're going to go to Google, make sure that you are logged into your school account, click on the waffle up here at the top and open up your drive. Now, one of the first things you're going to want to do is dump all of your old folders into one folder so that it will clean things up a bit. To do that, just go to New Folder, give it the name of a year, for example. Okay, you'll see that that's highlighted in blue there, and then you can just click on the folders you want to drag in there and drag folders in. All right, now the next thing you're going to want to do is organize your new folders for this school year by the name of your class. So you're going to go to New Folder and give it a name. And then when you find that folder, you can customize it a little bit more so that it stands out. If you right click or press Control and click on the folder, you can change the color. You can also change the name and add an emoji to make it stand out. So if you press Command Control Spacebar, you can search, like if it's world history, you might search for a globe and add that. And then when you add that emoji, it moves it to the top of the list. So emojis will be at the top. If you want something to appear first, you can add a hashtag symbol, and that's going to move it to the very top. And so by adding color and adding emojis, that's going to make your Google Drive a little bit more visual. Now, the other thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to move your documents from your desktop on your MacBook or your documents area into the Google Drive so that you don't lose anything. So if you have a bunch of files that you need to move, you can just, for example, click on desktop if you have a ton of history documents there, and you are going to press Shift and click the top file, and then click the bottom one, and it will highlight all those files, and then you can move those all at once into your Google Drive and they will upload. So that's how you can very quickly organize the drive and move things from your computer into your drive so that you have a copy in your drive in case something happens to your MacBook. If you have any questions, let me know.